Breaking news. Turkey has shelled Syrian Kurdish forces in northern Syria for the day 5 in a row, as Ankara tries to stop the Kurdish fighters from claiming the town of Izits, which is just 8 kilometers from the Turkish border, the only place that Islamic State receiving help from Saudi Arabia and Qatar via Turkey. Turkish artillery units in the southeastern province of Kilis fired shells at Kurdish targets on Tuesday and Wednesday's morning, in areas that were under the control of the Syrian Kurds. Following a briefing requested by Russia, the UN Security Council has urged Ankara to comply with international law in Syria. The closed-door meeting was called to discuss recent Turkish shelling of Kurdish YPG fighters' targets in Syria's north. United Nations spokesman said on Tuesday, all members of the Security Council agreed to ask for Turkey to comply with international law. Also, United States has called Turkey to stop bombing Kurds, State Department spokesperson Mark Toner said. I am aware of the reports that they, Turkish forces, have struck the YPG-affiliated forces. We have urged the YPG to avoid moves that will heighten tensions with Turkey.
Aware of those allegations, frankly. I am aware, as you mentioned, reports that they have struck YPG-affiliated forces. We have urged the YPG to avoid moves that will heighten tensions with Turkey.
But at the same time we have also urged Turkey to cease any artillery.
But at the same time we've also urged Turkey to cease any its artillery fire across the border.
Are you urging Turkey to stop hitting Kurds in Syria, or
to cease its artillery fire over the border
altogether, no matter what the target is?
It's artillery fire across the border. But Turkey is not listening to US and United Nations. They continue bombing Kurds in Syria while I am writing this report. It looks like there is some hidden games going on. Pentagon spokesman Peter Cook said, Saudi Arabia took part in weekend airstrikes against Islamic State in Syria. But local Kurds in Rojava-north Syria have told RH news agency that Saudi Arabia airplanes with the help of Turkish intelligence services has bombed Kurdish civilians and medical facilities in Kurdish town Afrin over the weekend. Turkish newspaper Cumhuriyet, yesterday 16 of February has reports and confirmed that Saudi Air Force's aircraft was stationed at the Incirlik base in Adana, Turkey, last few days. Now the question is why? Saudi Arabia didn't bomb Islamic State in last 7 months, but after Kurdish YPG took control of many towns from ISIS they just appeared on air? The message is clear because they want to stop the Kurdish fighters from claiming the town of Izits. As Izits is very important for them because that is the only door that Islamic State and al-Nusra terrorist organization receiving help from Saudi Arabia and Qatar via Turkey. Under heavy bombardment of Turkey, Kurdish forces are continuously cleaning North Syria from ISIS and al-Nusra terrorist organization. 10 hours ago Kurdish forces YPG took control of Tel Rifat in North Syria, a city that is being liberated from Turkey-backed al-Nusra Front terrorist group affiliated with Al-Qaeda. Reported by Butin Kurdistani for RH news agency. February 17, 2016.
ها ام باجورك تل رفعت يبنا بدروكي تل ارفات ناس كرين باجورك تل رفعت يد بساعات ايفاردا جدست جتين النصر واحرار الشام جالين جيش السوار ارتش شورش قال وهات رزقار كرين تل رفعت يجيكي برستراتيجيك دكابة سرية حلب وعزازي برزقا كرنا ترفعت ريا اليكارية نبرة شتايان لحلب وعزازي تيقود كرن لدسبيك شورش سوري وباجروكا ترفعت دستي رجيم الباس كتا دستي ارتش شورش كرن بيشتوي بدميكي بيشتكريا دولة ترك شتاين النصر وأحرار الشام باجروكا ترفعت كتا دستي شتاين النصر وأحرار الشام لأف بودمك جو نوتشين در رزقار كرنا باجروكا ترفعت وكاتنا وي دستي جيش السوار ارتش شورش كرن ابو سير روجا دولة ترك باجروكا ترفعت بقراني تو باران ديك شخوا امينها لباجروكا ترفعت جينكو تو بين دولة ترك ليك هتنا امي وجي سير بكن هروها برزقار كرنا باجروكا ترفعت امي دوباره جي بكن ريا اليكاريا نافري تشتايان بحلب وعزازي دا تيقود كرن انا برجي اخويا كرن جيبو تبارانا دولة تركب وسيرو الباجروكا ترفعت قد ساعات الايفار دا حياة بيس بيدا بشتيجو جيش السوار كتب باجروكا ترفعت ورزقار كريجي تبارانا دولة ترك بزيدا بو فابر ديمانا جتي اخويا كرن في آلي دا شي براني مال جي شالي توكن دولة تركي هاتي خراب كرنا نهاجي ام لكولاني باجروكا الرفعت اننا الصحة يتكافي اوتا باجروكا الرفعت فاتل كل جدي خويا كرن تل رفعته برانين دكاني يكون ها قلتنا بدي خويا كرم مصنوعي قوتشتين شي كرمنا مصنوعي رجيم سوريا أما مصنوعات خويا كرم سختاني سخت شي كنا وقاربن جي كده ده شي حركات بكن بيجو ظالمين كنا